Scene script. Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence is changing the face of digital art and design in Photoshop? Welcome to the fascinating world where creativity meets technology. In this realm, artificial intelligence, often referred to as AI, has made a significant impact, particularly in the field of digital art and design. Photoshop, the world-renowned image editing software, is no exception to this trend. But first, let's take a step back. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, in the simplest terms, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. This might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's actually a reality that's transforming industries, including graphic design. Now let's bring Photoshop into the mix. For those who may not be familiar, Photoshop is an Adobe software used widely for image editing and graphic design. It's a tool that's been around for more than 3 decades, and it's continually evolving. Today, AI is playing a crucial role in this evolution. So how does AI enhance the Photoshop experience? One of the primary ways is through automation. AI can automate tedious and repetitive tasks like resizing images or applying the same effect across multiple images, saving you valuable time and effort. But that's not all. AI can also enhance images in ways that were once unimaginable. It can analyze an image and apply changes that make it more visually appealing, like adjusting the lighting or color balance. And the power of AI doesn't stop there. It can also be used to create unique designs. With AI, you can transform a simple sketch into a detailed piece of art, or generate abstract designs that are truly one of a kind. Now imagine harnessing the full potential of AI in Photoshop. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how to do that. Using AI in Photoshop is like having a digital assistant that can help you streamline your workflow. Artificial intelligence has made a grand entrance into the world of image editing, and Photoshop is leading the charge. The AI features in Photoshop are designed to simplify complex tasks and improve the precision of your work, making your digital artistry smoother and more efficient. Let's dive into some of these features, starting with neural filters. This is a new workspace inside Photoshop that uses machine learning to generate new contextual pixels that are not present in your original image. It can do everything from adjusting a subject's age and gaze to removing distractions in the background. It's like having a professional retoucher at your fingertips. Next up, we have Content-Aware Fill. This feature understands the content of your image and helps you remove or replace parts of it seamlessly. Have an unwanted object in your photo? With Content-Aware Fill, you can easily erase it, and Photoshop will automatically fill in the gap with relevant background details. It's like having a smart eraser that knows exactly what you want to remove and what you want to keep. Finally, let's talk about Select Subject. This feature uses AI to detect and select the main subject in your image. Whether you're working with a complex portrait or a simple object, it takes just one click to make a precise selection. It's like having a keen-eyed artist who can distinguish every detail in your image. But remember, these AI features are not just tools, they're your creative partners. They're designed to adapt to your style and learn from your preferences, enhancing your Photoshop experience in ways you've never imagined. Understanding these features is only the first step. Next, you will learn how to use them effectively. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the power of AI in Photoshop. Neural filters are a new breed of AI-powered tools that can transform your images in a few clicks. Now let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to access and use these game-changing tools. Firstly, open an image in Photoshop. Navigate to the top menu and select Filter. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Neural Filters. This will open up a new workspace where the magic happens. Neural filters are divided into 2 categories, featured and beta. The featured filters are tried and tested, while the beta filters are experimental and offer a sneak peek into what's coming in future updates. Feel free to explore both categories and see how they can breathe life into your images. You'll notice a range of filters from skin smoothing to style transfer. Each filter has a unique function. The skin smoothing filter, for instance, can enhance portraits by reducing skin imperfections, while the style transfer filter allows you to apply the style of one image to another. To use a filter, simply click on its title to expand it. You'll see a set of sliders. Each slider adjusts a different aspect of the filter. Slide it left or right to decrease or increase the intensity of the effect. For instance, with the Style Transfer filter, you can adjust the style strength to control how much of the style is applied to your image. You can also adjust the color preserve to maintain the original colors of your image while applying the new style. Once you're happy with the adjustments, click OK to apply the changes. If you're not satisfied, you can always hit Reset to go back to the original image. Remember, neural filters are non-destructive. This means you can experiment as much as you want without worrying about ruining your original image. They also work in real time, so you can see the effect of your adjustments instantly. With neural filters, you can create stunning images without spending hours on manual adjustments. Content aware. Fill and select subject are two powerful AI tools that can save you tons of time in Photoshop. Let's delve into each one and see how they can enhance your workflow. First up, Content Aware Fill. This tool is a game changer when it comes to removing unwanted objects from an image. Here's how to use it. Select the object you want to remove using any selection tool. Go to Edit, then choose Content Aware Fill. Now Photoshop will automatically analyze the surrounding pixels and fill in the selected area with content that matches the rest of the image. You can adjust the settings to better match the surrounding area, and voila! The unwanted object is gone as if it was never there. But what if we need to select a complex subject quickly? That's where Select Subject comes in. This tool uses artificial intelligence to make precise selections with just a single click. Here's how it works. Go to the Select menu and choose Select Subject. Photoshop will then automatically create a selection around the main subject of the photo. If it's not perfect, don't worry. You can refine the selection using other selection tools. It's a quick and easy way to get a rough selection, especially for complex subjects. Now let's talk about a couple of tips to get the most out of these tools. For Content-Aware Fill, remember that it works best on simple backgrounds. For complex backgrounds, you might need to do some manual touch-ups. For Select Subject, remember that it might not always get the selection perfect, especially for intricate subjects. But it's a great starting point. These tools have made complex tasks much simpler, but remember, they are just tools. Your creativity is the key. So experiment, play around, and see how these tools can help you bring your vision to life. After all, Photoshop is all about giving you the tools to create anything you can imagine. So what does the future hold for AI and Photoshop? The intersection of artificial intelligence and Photoshop is a rapidly evolving frontier, set to revolutionize not just how we edit images, but how we create them. The marriage of AI and Photoshop is expected to continue enhancing the software, making it even more intuitive and powerful. Imagine a future where Photoshop can predict your next move, anticipate your needs, and offer solutions before you even realize you need them. This would not only expedite the design process, but also make it more enjoyable. That's the potential of AI. AI is also set to further automate tasks. Already we've seen the introduction of features like Content-Aware Fill and Select Subject, which have automated complex tasks that used to take hours. But this is just the beginning. As AI advances, we can expect even more tasks to be automated, freeing up designers to focus on the creative aspects of their work. But the power of AI doesn't stop at enhancing image quality. AI is poised to take image quality to new heights, improving upon human capabilities. With AI, we could see the end of pixelated images and poorly lit photos. AI could auto-enhance images to a level of precision and quality that is currently unimaginable. The most exciting prospect, however, is the potential for AI to create original designs. Imagine a Photoshop that doesn't just edit images but creates them. An AI that can design a logo, create a poster, or even sketch a portrait. The possibilities are staggering. The future of AI and Photoshop is a vibrant and exciting one. As AI continues to evolve and grow, so too will Photoshop. And as Photoshop becomes more powerful, so too will the creations it produces. As we look to the future, the possibilities for AI and Photoshop seem limitless. AI is not just changing Photoshop, it's changing the game, opening up a world of possibilities we are only just beginning to explore.